Right. So zoom it a bit like that. Yes. So the instruction was saying that we add a watermark. A watermark. And we said that to add a watermark, you will go to is it insert? And then after insert, it's design. Insert your design. You go to insert, you will go to design. I think it is design. Okay. And with insert, which design? Watermark. Insert. That's what we are in insert. So where is it? Watermark. Design. It is design. Okay? It is design. Don't forget. Design, and once you go to design, you will see it here around. Yes. So you tap watermark, and the instruction says use a custom watermark. Okay? And we say it once you reach here, you go to text watermark. There, so this is the template there, so you remove it and you put what you want. Okay? So in this case, we say the Unity is our first name, and we shall just apply and press OK. But so far we don't have the color yet. This color green, which is here, apply and OK. Yes? I use what? Black. But the instruction says green. Blank. Brand. Blank color. We have the instructions now. It is a bit pink. So to get pink, have to get pink a bit. Pink, kind of pink shade, and yes. I'm not good at mixing the colors. I'm not good at mixing the colors. I think there we go. Apply. First three letters. What is that? Custom. Where is the first three letters? Put the color? Instructions. First name in the green color. First name. So today, first name, and we have put our first name. Okay? That in the green color. Then next was table of contents. So we said we first create headings. We said here this heading will be the advantages, benefits of digital inclusion. We said we shall put it here to make a sense. We shall make it uppercase letters and bold. Okay? And then the next we said for the table, we said it will be the comparing 3 countries digital access levels. So we shall also put it just above the table and bold it. Bold and uppercase. So there we have our 3 headings. So the first heading, we shall come to style and give it heading level 1, which is that. However, it somehow loses the color. Put back. Then this one, no one identified the color, so we shall just say heading 1, and this one is also heading 1. So now we have 3 headings of the same level. Next, we said if we wanted to create, a table of contents, we said we go to layer references. references is here, and then the table of contents is here. So you click and it is like that. Then it comes automatically. Here you can come and change and say table. Oh, sorry. You can say table of contents, just like that. So now we have our table of contents. What is next? It is create cover page reflecting the content. So to create a cover page. So the cover page, where do you go for a cover page? You go to insert. After cover page. Yes. So it has to do with the technology. So they tell you bring in a cover page that reflects the thing. But now I don't have the internet. So I will, if you have internet, you go for online templates. But for now, we shall choose a simple one. For now, that one. And here, of course, it is digital inclusions. Okay, it is digital. The role of digital inclusions. So we shall bring it here like that. Watermark back. We have it. Perfect. So for now, we can follow the instruction. Okay. Lastly, it was saying that save as the example 2, but intentionally we skipped step number 4. Okay. Yeah. Can we continue? Yes. So step number 4 is saying use comment tracker to annotate where I would add the statistics. So we use comment trackers, number 1, to audit. Okay? To audit. To keep trails of any changes to the document. Most especially when the document has been already established, we want to know what are the changes that have been made to the document. For example, in order to add what comment trackers, what did we do? How do we add the comment trackers? Have you tried it before? Comment trackers. Yes? Comment trackers. Step 4 is saying use comment trackers to annotate where you would add statistics. Yes? No. Let us first complete that. So comment trackers, we go to review. Okay? We go to review. I hope now you are able to see it. Are you able? Where? Tracking. So you go to tracking like this. Then you will find track changes. You will click there. Okay? It should be enabled. Are you seeing that? Now when we come to our document and I say I want to remove this word here. I want to remove poor like that. Poor will not be removed, but it will be cancelled, it will be striked through. Okay? And if any changes, I say this is the end of the document. Like that. I am able to track my changes. I can come here and I say, this wider, I also don't like that, I will remove. So when you remove it, doesn't go, it remains there. So for you, you put what you want to put. Expands. Okay? You say expands, like that. So after that, yes? Expands. Okay? You divide expands. Now, I listen here. Comments. You can come and highlight what you want to comment to. You say digital divide, add a new comment. You say, where is the comment? Yes, here. You say, I want to add a comment here. So, you say, digital divide is the gap between people, between computer access in different groups, like that. After you post, so it is there. Okay, then I have put a comment. That means if another user comes, can easily know what's on this. It's highlighted. Means that there is a comment here. Whenever you put a comment, inclusions, you say it is to include. It's to include like this. Then you post. So here, this one shows to include, this one shows to the gap between. So you can always track. Then, if I save this document and there is another user, for example, when I have made changes, I have to approve the changes. She will come here and read again. She'll be like, okay, this is okay. So she will go back to where to tracking, and she say, I have accepted this change. Okay, it has been accepted. So there, she will come here. She can easily say, this one is rejected. Okay, so we shall not delete it. Okay, because it is accepted. Then if we say that the change is been the change has been accepted, what happens? It's been accepted, so now it goes. The change of removing it is being accepted, so now we shall accept the new change, which is expands. All together, that's how to use this tool here. Thank you so much for attending. The next time. As explained, this video I will share in the group. Yes. If I have not marked you, I am marking it tonight. Deadline is tonight. Deadline is tonight. Deadline